You're probably watching this video because you're looking for web hosting service, but finding the best hosting provider is more challenging and overwhelming than being fun. In this video, I'm going to do a quick review on HostGator, which is one of the top hosting providers online and also the hosting company I use to host all of my sites. Now, depending on the type of hosting service you're looking for, HostGator has a few hosting plans for you to pick from. Three of their most popular hosting packages are the Hatching, the Baby, and the Business plan. With the Hatching, you get unlimited disk space and unlimited bandwidth. The only downside is that you can only host one domain with the Hatching plan. So if you plan on having multiple sites, you won't be able to do that with this package. They also have the Baby and the Business hosting plan. Unlike the Hatching plan, with the Baby and the Business plan, you can host unlimited amount of domains. And both plans also come with unlimited disk space and unlimited bandwidth. The only difference between the Baby and the Business plan is that with the Business plan you get a dedicated IP and a toll-free number, and with the Baby plan you don't. Personally, I only have the Baby plan, but your business might be different than mine, so get the package that's right for you. Actually, if you click on the Compare All Hosting Plans link, you'll get a pop-up chart where you can do a side-by-side comparison of all three hosting shared plans. As you can see, the only difference between the Hatching and the Baby plan is the ability to add an unlimited amount of domains to your account. And the difference between the monthly price for the Hatching plan and the Baby plan, it's only $1 more for the Baby. Not that big of a difference. But if you only have one domain, then by all means start with the Hatching plan, because with HostGator, you can always upgrade your account if you want to. Like I always tell people, never spend unnecessary money if you don't have to. The only thing I feel that's a little bit misleading about the sign-up process is the prices that HostGator has listed on their shared hosting plans. HostGator automatically includes a 20% coupon on their prices. For example, if you look at their Baby plan monthly fee, you'll notice that the price is $7.96, but the real monthly fee is $9.95. $7.16 for the Hatching instead of $8.95, and $11.95 for the Business plan instead of the listed $14.95 a month. So, as a potential customer, they'll have you think that's what the monthly fee is going to be every month, and that's not the case. And that to me is misleading and somewhat of a tricky sales tactic. But if you do decide to purchase your hosting plan in bulk, which I highly recommend, that's where you'll really pay the listed monthly price of $3.96 if you decide to pay for 3 years in advance, or $4.76 if you decide to pay for 2 years, and so on. So if you want to go with a monthly plan, I wouldn't use the 20% coupon. Instead, I would use the 1 penny coupon. And with that coupon, your first month will only cost you 1 cent, and then $9.95 a month for as long as you decide to keep your account. Also, HostGator gives you the option of registering your domain name with their domain registrar, just in case you need a domain with your hosting service. My advice is to stay away. When I first signed up for HostGator years ago, I bought my first domain through them. I was a newbie, I didn't know that I could have purchased my domain name from a different registrar, point my domain name to my HostGator name server, and in the process could have purchased 2 domain names from NetFirms for the ridiculous $15 that HostGator charges. So if you do need a domain name, buy it from NetFirms. If you're not sure how to do that, I'll have another video that walks you through the process of buying a domain with NetFirms, setting up your HostGator account, along with a list of HostGator coupons that you can use. Just check out the links in the video description. Now, for their shared account dashboard, HostGator uses a cPanel control panel, which is very easy to use. Right now, I'm logged into my dashboard, and while it may look confusing to you if you've never had a hosting account, the dashboard looks very clean. You can set up an unlimited amount of email addresses for your domain, set up third-party software via Fantastico Deluxe, and add new domains to your account if you have the Baby or Business hosting plan. I use WordPress to build all my sites, and with their quick install software, I can have a WordPress site up and running in just a few minutes. And as far as HostGator's customer support, they get a 5-star rating from me. Seriously, no matter what time of day, I can always call or use the live chat support service and have my issues resolved in 30 minutes or less. I've had my account with them for, I would say, about 7 years now, and throughout the 7 years that I've had them as my hosting company, I can honestly say that I've never had a major problem with them, other than needing help with moving one of my WordPress sites to a different domain name. So when it comes to their customer service, I have nothing but good things to say about them. Never, ever, ever underestimate the need for good customer service when it comes to buying hosting service. Trust me, you'll regret it later when you're having issues with your website or hosting account and you have to wait on email support. With HostGator, you have the option of emailing, calling, or using their live chat support option. Also, just in case you're a total newbie, with your HostGator account, you get step-by-step video tutorials where you'll learn how to set up email accounts, create MySQL databases, how to set up a cron job, and countless other videos. And that's pretty much it. Other than the monthly price confusions, they definitely get 2 thumbs up from me. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and also don't forget to check out the video description below for coupons.